Alright, so I want to demo this Japanese beetle bug trap, bag bug, and it works so well that I'm amazed. So I'm doing this video. So basically what it is, it's a bag with little bait here. It's fairly easy to assemble. You just put these two pieces together, you put the bait in like so, and you hang the bag on it. And I just used a little something over there to secure the bag because as you can see, it works so well that under just a few days I have like probably a half a pound or more bugs here. Truly amazing. Now what you want to do is put this at least 30 feet away from your garden, because it attracts a lot of bugs, and you don't want to attract bugs into your garden. You want to attract bugs away from it, so at least 30 feet away, preferably down the stream of the wind. And you need to hang it at least 1 foot above the ground, but you have to make sure that it's out of reach of children as well. And as you can see, I made this little contraption here so I can just hang it here. And you have to make sure that it can freely move in the all direction of the wind, because the wind blowing it really helps the bugs slide down. And that's pretty much it. It's truly amazing how well it works, and I'm really satisfied. And I'll post a link where you can buy this. That's it.